Hey guys, today we're going to connect HubSpot to Google Calendar using Integrately, a quick way to make sure your HubSpot meetings show up automatically on your calendar. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To get started, search for and select HubSpot as your first app. Then search for and choose Google Calendar as your second. You'll also find the direct Integrately link for this automation in the description below. From the list of available one-click automations, find Create Google Calendar Event for New HubSpot Deal and click Activate. First, you'll need to connect your HubSpot account by signing in and authorizing the connection. Next, connect your Google Calendar account. Once it's authorized, select the specific calendar where you want to create new events and click Continue. In the Automation Builder, you'll need to map the required search query field using the deal name from your new HubSpot deal. Finally, click the Test and Turn On toggle to activate your automation. And don't forget, the direct Integrately link is in the description so you can set this up instantly. And that's it. HubSpot to Google Calendar synced through Integrately. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to set it up.